grabe, sa buong ride namin tulog si Ellie. Pumunta na kami ng Walmart, tapos baby store.
Portsmouth.
Oo, tapos tulog pa rin siya. Hi guys, welcome back. Nakakatuwa si Ellie sa lagi ng tulog niya sa bassinet. Kaya nakakagawa ako ng gawaing bahay. Minsan inaabot talaga siya ng 3 hours guys sa umaga matulog siya. Guluhin na naman siya ng daddy niya. Kasi kailangan niya na naman magdede. Kailangan gisingin namin siya kasi alis din kami. Kailangan gisingin siya ng daddy niya. Nilagyan namin siya ng kumot guys. Pero kailangan namin bantayan pa rin, diba? Ang buhok mo girl. Taba ng pisngi. Magkaraban. We can wake her up a little later.
Yeah, let's wait until we're
just
ready to, check her diaper and change.
Tapos meron siya ditong little, speaker. Diyan sa gilid lang namin nilalagay. Hi guys! Alis na naman kami. Punta na naman kami ng base. Dahil nakalimutan ng magulang, ng parents. Nakalimutan ng mga inahan. Ng inahan at ng kanyang daddy. Ang namin, yung appointment namin for, what is that? For the birth certificate?
Yeah, certificate of birth.
Yeah.
And then I'll make a Deers appointment so we can get her into the benefit system.
Ang cute ng hat ni Ellie, oh. Babe, how's the first time parent with a newborn baby?
It's
What?
tiring. But
Yeah.
for the first few days, I think they're just, all their organs are just coming online. So they're
Right.
ornery, fussy, poopy, gassy, burpy.
I think the first 2 days is tough for us. But now she's doing better though.
So that I'd say the first 3 was
3
pretty
days,
tough.
yeah.
So she was born on the 1st and it's the 6th. So she's 5 days old officially.
Yeah.
So I think last night was the best night because
Right.
she slept for in between every feed, she slept for the 3 hours till feed 3 hours,
Right.
feed 3 hours. So she did really good.
Yeah.
So a little bit of cluster feeding, but that's
Right.
normal.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
It's tough for the first few days or few weeks. It's gonna be really tough because you are adjusting, the baby is adjusting, kasi new environment sa kanya, 'di ba? Kasi kakapanganak pa lang, ganun. And yung medyo na kami, parang medyo challenge sa amin ni Travis is yung tulog. Kasi nga, remember we sleep early at night, right?
Yeah.
And then now we can't sleep early because of we have to feed Ellie, change her diaper. It depends on her schedule right now. So
and it's not always going to be easy like
Yeah.
last night. Last night we got lucky. And it was a good night. We caught up on some sleep. So
Right.
hopefully we have many more nights like that. But I think it's, with a baby, it's hit or miss.
Yeah, it's hit or miss. Yeah, but she's doing better, guys. She's getting better. And now she can sleep properly on her bassinet. Because the first day that we got home and then we used her bassinet, she didn't really like it. Ganon. Tapos, and then now, kapag we put her in her bassinet, she will really sleep talaga. And then we just have to wake her up.
Yeah.
If we need to feed her, if we need to change her diaper, ganon.
She's really pretty good at waking us up.
Oh, yeah.
Even this morning, you could tell she's getting fussy in the bassinet. Not a full-on scream, but
Yeah.
hey, it's time for me to eat.
Right.
So
Yesterday, I really want to go out with her, yung para paarawan siya, 'di ba? Kasi sabi nila it's really good na paarawan mo yung bata kasi for vitamin D early in the morning. My mom told me that too, and she used to do that with my siblings or even hey. Kinabahan ako dun.
did it scare you?
Yeah. There's a lot of bad drivers here,
Yeah,
guys.
there is.
So you have to be careful, especially you have a baby in the back. That's why they they won't allow you to travel without car seat. So, yun. And then, yun, sabi ng mama ko, nakausap ko siya nung isang araw, sabi niya, paarawan mo ng umaga talaga, yung umagang araw talaga, hindi yung hapon, hindi yung tanghali. Diba ganun tayo sa Pilipinas? Ganun tayo kapag may baby tayo, papaarawan natin kasi nga maganda siya sa ng baby kasi para vitamin D. And I think that's the problem here. They don't do that. That's why some of the babies are lack of vitamin D. That's why they have to take vitamin D, diba? Pero sa atin, we always wanna do natural way, yung mga ganun, diba? So, ayun. Nung isang araw, pinaarawan ko siya. Kaso nga, alam niyo naman ng weather dito sa Virginia. It's you know, unpredictable. Yesterday was raining and then now it's sunny. Ngayon lang naging sunny, ngayong hapon. And then the morning, hindi siya naging sunny. Wala talaga siyang araw, kaya hindi ko siya mapaarawan ng umaga. And iba naman kasi yung araw ng diba? Ng hapon. Kaya yun. So, nasasabi kong masarap maging nanay na. Masarap maging nanay.
Police reported ahead.
Medyo challenging sa una, pero super saya kapag ka nakita mo na yung baby mo, tapos nahawakan mo na, tapos kasama mo na siya. Alam mo yun, parang new life sa'yo, kasi nga, di ba, nasanay kayo na dalawa lang kayo na mag-asawa, tapos ngayon may baby na kayo. Kumbaga parang iba yung dala niyang saya, ganun. Tapos every time na makikita namin siya, wala, natutuwa lang kami every time na hawakan namin siya. Oh, that's bliss. Every time na hawakan namin siya, ganun, yung parang nakakawala ng stress. So, parang stress reliever, di ba, mga ganun nga, di ba? So, ayun guys, super saya.
Police reported ahead.
Natapos, nakaraos ako na normal delivery ko si Ellie, ganun. And hindi ko akalaing na magagawa ko rin yun. May mga nagtatanong, tawag nito? Meron ka po bang punit or yung tear natin yung tawag nila? Meron po. So, 3rd degree po yung tear ko, kaya tinahi talaga nila ng medyo natagalan nga sila sa tahi, parang dun pa sila natagalan kasi sa pagpaanganak ko. Kasi nga, dahil 3rd degree, kasi ang pinakamataas daw is 4 degree, sabi ni doc. Tapos, nagkaroon ako ng 3rd degree, ganun. So, pero okay naman na ngayon, medyo sore lang, medyo, you know, down there, medyo sore. Pero it's getting better. Binigyan nila ako ng mga gamot, binigyan nila ako ng parang postpartum kit, ganyan, mga ganun. And it helps a lot din naman talaga. Basta make sure lang din na huwag papabayaan ang sarili din, no? Kasi nga, nanay ka na, mas kailangan ka ng anak mo kasi, especially ako, nag-breastfeed ako. Kailangan kong kumain ng healthy food din talaga. Although nung pregnant ako, I used to eat a lot of, most of the time, healthy food because Travis is really strict on what I eat.
Very.
And which is a good thing, you know, the outcome is really, you know, you'll see the outcome. Healthy si baby, healthy yung panganganak ko, healthy yung delivery ko. And I think what helps me a lot is because I'm working out, natagtag ako, nag-walk ako noon bago ko manganak, 3 miles or 4 miles every day. Yung ginagawa ko para lang talaga matagtag ako, no. Tapos iba pa yung lakad ko sa labas, iba pa yung workout ko sa gym, and then sa bahay hindi ako umuupo talaga. Uupo ako yung parang mag-rest lang, tapos magnanap ako, and then meron akong meditation YouTube video na naka-play. Tapos parang nakaka-calm talaga siya ng diba? So, nakatulong talaga siya sa akin. So, kung nagtatanong kayo, bakit ayaw kong mag-epidural? So, hindi ako nag-epidural kasi gusto ko po talagang mag-normal delivery, natural way, unmedicated, ganun, as much as possible. Wala akong sa mga nanay na nag-epidural kasi masakit naman talaga, 'di ba? Pero ewan ko, mas gusto ko lang na tawag nito, I wanna do it natural way, yung unmedicated delivery nga. So, pin-repair ko na rin naman yung sarili ko bago ko manganak. na alam kong masasaktan talaga ako. 13 hours ang labor ko, guys. Imagine, sa bahay ako nag-labor. Hindi ko alam na 9 cm na pala ako dilated. Manganganak na pala talaga ako. Tapos pagdating namin sa ospital, ang tawag nito? Pagdating namin sa ospital, chinek niya yung ano ko, 9 cm na. Tapos 30 minutes after ng pagdating namin doon, pumutok ang panubigan ko. So sabi ko kasi, I need to push. Sabi ko, I need to push. Yung parang alam mo yung feeling na natatai ka na. Sabi ko, I need to push. And then right after na nag-push ako talaga ng yung parang natatai. Alam mo yun? Pero hindi ko alam, every time na mag-contract siya, yung parang sasakit yung mo, doon ako nagpo-push. Kasi sabi din ng nanay ko, huwag ka mag-push kapag wala ka naramdaman na contraction. And then, yun, ginawa ko every time na I felt the contraction, and then that's the time I push. And then that helps a lot because you won't feel the pain. I mean, you will still feel the pain, but yeah, no. My mom told me that don't push if you don't feel the contraction.
Right.
She told me that, and then when I did that, it helps a lot. It eased the pain of the contraction.
Right, because if you push,
yeah,
and it's not time.
exactly,
Yeah.
and you will just use all of your energy.
You gotta work in sync with your body.
Yeah, you have to listen to your body, ganon. So, it's really amazing talaga how our body works. Ganon talaga, guys, grabe. Nakaka-amaze. Ma-amaze kayo kapag alam mo yun, yung natapos na yung delivery nyo. Ma-amaze kayo, how did I do that? Yung ganon. Gosh, from labor to delivery, I didn't know I can make it. And I thought about, oh gosh, it's really painful. But what I only think is, I will overcome this. This is only temporary. Yun lang yung iniisip ko. That's the only thing I think about. This is only temporary. This is not, permanent pain. And then after this, I will see my baby, just like that, stuff like that. So you need to prepare yourself. You need to prep your body, because we made to do this. Lalo na yung mga nanay. Can you imagine, a lot of Filipino in the Philippines, they don't use epidural, but they have a lot of kids, right? Even my mom, she didn't do medicated anything. It's normal in the Philippines, but here in United States.
Was your mom your inspiration to go
Oh yeah.
natural?
But here in United States, it's common for them to use epidural. That's why when I got there, they were like, you don't really want to use epidural? But it's already too late because I'm 9 cm dilated, and I told them my goal is to do unmedicated labor and delivery, stuff like that. And then they were amazed, like, how did you do that, girl?
You were walking around like normal at 9
I was
centimeters.
walking around normal, and then you will still see my face. I'm still smiling, but you will still see my face sometimes when the contraction hits me. That you will
like,
see that.
"Oh."
Oh yeah, that's the contraction right there. And then after the contraction, because it will give you a break. Then after that, yun, I can still talk. I can still smile. Because if you think that I know it's painful, but if you think that in your mind that, oh gosh, I can't do it, it's not gonna help. You have to think about in a positive way talaga. So very talaga siya, tawag nito, yung life game changer talaga kapag ganun ka mag-think, kapag nandun ka na sa situation na yun. So yun lang, parang kasi may mga nagtatanong nga na paano daw ginawa ko, ganun, ganyan. I know maraming Pilipino na gawa na rin yun, di ba? Hindi na bago sa atin yun. Pero, syempre, para lang din sa iba na mga nagtatanong po sa akin sa Instagram, sa TikTok, sa TikTok, and then sa YouTube. Ayun po yung mga preparation na ginawa ko. And I know you can do it, guys, sa mga anak na din. So, our body is made to do this. Ganon, isipin nyo na lang yung baby nyo, no? And if there's something happen na they need to do a C-section sa inyo, it's not your fault, 'di ba? So, it depends talaga sa mga circumstances na mangyayari, kung anong mangyari, ganun. Basta maging safe lang yung delivery nyo, healthy si baby, ganun, healthy kayo, and safe kayong mga anak, ganun. Kasi, 'di ba, sabi nga nila, 50-50 yung ano natin. So, nandito na kami, malapit na kami sa base, guys. Do you want us to stay here?
Yeah, I'll run in real quick.
Hindi na kami bababa ni Ellie. Tulog na tulog si Ellie. Tignan nyo naman guys, tulog na tulog. Ayan ang gusto niya. Yung nauuga siya. Gusto niya yung... Kaya sabi ko nga, she's our little off-roader. Malapit na namin siya dali sa ano. Siguro pag pwede na siya. Pag pwede na siyang mag-off-roading. Diba? Oh, look at her baby. Kataba ng pisngi, oh. Taba ng pisngi mo, girl, ah. Kasi kakadede niya lang, guys. Pinadede ko siya bago kami umalis. Para hindi siya magmuryot. Tapos nakatain na rin siya. Napalitan na rin siya namin ng diaper. Na nagdala lang talaga ako ng ano, para pag kung in case na magutom siya. Kasi minsan maya-maya siya nagugutom eh. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Namamalat yung ano niya. Oh, what?
With her little squeak.
Namamalat yung labi niya. Sabi nung doctor, yung pediatrician doctor, it's from the milk daw. Kaya medyo namamalat. Kasi dumudodo daw siya. Ayun, guys. Hintayin na lang namin si daddy sa sasakyan. Dito lang kami mag-hangout ni baby. Hi guys, so nakuha na namin yung birth certificate ni Ellie. So kung nagtatanong kayo, US citizen po si Ellie na agad. Naunahan niya pang ina. So US citizen po siya kasi pag dito 'di ba, pag once you were born here, right, Bem?
Yeah.
Automatic US
Yeah.
citizen
Yeah,
or it
right now,
depends. Yeah.
She is.
A citizen na siya. So yun guys, nakakatuwa kasi meron na nakuha na namin. Kahapon talaga nakalimutan namin. And ngayon pupunta kami sa Walmart. May bibilin lang kaming ibang mga kailangan namin. So, si Ellie tulog pa din. Tulog pa din ang baby. Uy. Yeah, kasi kadede siya eh. Hi guys, pauwi na kami. Grabe, sa buong ride namin tulog si Ellie. Pumunta na kami ng Walmart, tapos baby store.
Portsmouth.
Oo. Tapos tulog pa rin siya. Ang bait naman ng baby na yan. Pauwi na kami guys. Ito lang yung mga binili namin, kaunti lang. So, we're gonna go home and eat and then feed this baby. You don't wanna wake her up because she will cry.
Well, she'll wanna either feed or go potty.
Yeah, ganun ang ano ni Ellie, trabaho niya.
Hey, did you tell him it happened again? I went to change her diaper.
Ha?
Went to change her diaper again.
Right.
And I waited even for like 30 seconds. Okay, she's good. I moved the diaper out from under her. Pees on me.
Mihi na
I'm
naman niya.
Again, she like times it perfectly.
We have to potty train her.
We could start.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
We have to find that what mom says.
right now it's a little random. Like her pees and poops are kind of
Yeah.
random because she's so young.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Uwi na kami ng bahay and tulog si Ellie. Nasa bassinet siya. Yung check lang namin siya sa camera, no? And meron tayong package ngayon. And I think this is from Ate Maria. She sent it to us. Tignan natin kung anong laman. Open natin. Ooh, look at that. Let's see. Tignan ko nga kung tama ako. New mom gift.
Oh.
Let's see. Kay Ate Maria nga. A gift for you. Congratulations to our new parents in town. Welcome to the world, precious one. From Maria and family. Thank you so
Ooh,
much,
thank you.
Ate. Let's see. Oh, ang laki ah. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Kaya ang laman. Hala, thank you. Buksan na namin finally. Oh, ang dami! Look at that! Tignan natin. Ano to? Parang laruan siya. Stuffed toy. That's cute. Ito yung laman niya, guys. Ayan, tapos yung stuffed toy. Oh, that's cute. Thank you, Ate Maria. That's really cute. And then, oh, this is the Swaddle. We need the Swaddle.
Oh, is this one the stretchy one?
Yeah, I think so. Thank you. Ala, grabe, parang mahal naman ito. You got
Oh,
this,
yeah.
Mama. That's really cute. And then may ano pa, oh. You got this, Mama.
Swaddle. We can always use one of those.
Hala, I love this.
It's a bag.
Yeah.
Want me to open it? No.
Not yet. I'll open it later. What is this, babe?
I bet you it's
Oh my
a
gosh.
candle. Oh.
That smells really good. It's aromatherapy.
Look.
Oh, that's cute. Thank you so much, Ate.
Yeah, and it's got a straw too.
Yeah. And we have this. A cute little socks for Kinsey.
Yeah, right.
For Ellie. And then we have this. What is this, babe?
Looks like bath salts.
Oh, bath salt. And then we also have this for bath. Oh, this smells good. This one.
Oh, is that a bath
Oh
bomb?
my gosh,
Yeah, it's a
yeah.
bath bomb.
That smells really good. I'm gonna need that. What is this?
Maybe like a bow.
And then we have the soap. Thank you so much. Ang dami nito. Thank you, Ate Maria.
Thank you. We love it. We can
Yeah.
always use more swaddles. I like
And
this.
let me see this.
I like this. The bigger swaddles too, like that.
I love this. I love the bag because I love using yung shoulder bag. And look, super cute. Thank you, Ate Maria. Grabe, nag-ano ka pa talaga, te. Salamat. Pink na pink, ang cute. Thank you so much. So, ayan po yung padala ni Ate Maria. Friend namin siya sa where they, Maryland. Taga Maryland sila. And na-meet na rin namin sila dito sa Virginia. And ayun, sabi niya, what is that?
Oh, it's no. No.
That's for you. Is that
Whoa.
really for that? Huh? Is that really for that?
I don't know.
What is this?
I think so.
I hope what you strive for will finally to be as you wish.
Oh.
Oh, that's cute. I don't know what is this though. Maybe this is for Ellie. Headband?
I think maybe.
Yeah, I think this is for
I think
Ellie.
it's a headband.
Yeah.
I thought I put it on pretty well.
Let me see.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, nihama.
Let me see.
There you go. Oh,
Parang Japanese
cute.
So, ayun. Thank you so much, Ate Maria. So, and yun lang yung vlog natin for today. And by the way, we already got her birth certificate.
Not the certificate yet. Certificate of birth.
Certificate of birth ni Ellie. And when are we gonna get the... Oh,
6 to 8 weeks before it comes in the mail.
yeah, okay. So, magkakaroon ng birth certificate si Ellie. Nakuha na namin yung parang... Basta yun, yung papel kanina. So, yung pinaka-copy siguro, makuha namin, yun nga, mga ilang weeks pa. Yun yung inasikaso namin kanina, guys. Saglit lang naman siya. And ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!